All right, our ongoing. We're working on our a little solo for "It's Only a Paper Moon." We're in the key of G, and for those who are going to do a chord solo, we're finding all this by ear. And we found the notes. They all come on the A string. The notes are D, 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 C, B, A. And then we found the chords and synced the chords with the notes. We simplified the chords. So our little 4-bar solo, we have a measure of G, a measure of C, a measure of D7, and a measure of G. So we were doing a block chord on the downbeat, and then single notes in the measure. Ba, 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 C, ba, ba, ba. Voila, a chord melody. Ba, 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 block, ba, single, no. Now we have 2 measures left, and I'm just going to talk about improvising here. We've got a D chord and a G chord. Now our Ellen was doing this. She started strumming and she added a little embellishment. She turned that D7 into a D9, D13, and a G, suspended fourth. So putting it together, it would be like this. Here's Ellen's version. And you have a solo. Here's some other ideas for those last 2 measures in this solo, the D7 chord and the G chord. Fingerpick something, anything. As long as you're making your chord, all the notes in the chord are good. Can you imagine the number of possibilities at your disposal to play 1 note, 2 notes, 3 notes together? You just have to stay in the pocket like this. 2, 3, 4, D7, G, D7, D7. I'm just block chording it there. That's just probably one of a zillion possibilities. You get to play in the sandbox. What
Callie,
fun. Yeah.
what